Running Wolfram Mathematica and curious about those WLF log files appearing in your directory? These contain valuable diagnostic information about your sessions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to read and use these Mathematica log files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor WLF errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. Users interact with WLF files when troubleshooting or analyzing computations performed in Wolfram Mathematica. These log files contain a record of session activities, calculations, errors, and diagnostic information, which is crucial for debugging complex mathematical models or understanding computational behavior. The WLF file is typically a plain text or structured text file that logs events chronologically. Each entry is timestamped and contains descriptive information about the operation or error. This simple, human-readable format is designed for easy parsing and review by both users and diagnostic tools. The common standard viewer for WLF is typically Wolfram Mathematica from Wolfram Research. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. Your primary action: right-click the WLF file and select Open With. If Wolfram Mathematica is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the WLF file opens successfully. If your WLF file still refuses to open, stay calm. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, opening with text editors. WLF log files are typically text-based and open in any text editor, including Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text. Right-click the file and choose Open With, then select your preferred text editor. The log entries reveal session activity errors and diagnostic information from your Mathematica usage. Next, analyzing in Mathematica. Open Mathematica and use import file name WLF from text to load the log file as a string for analysis. Use string manipulation functions like string split and string cases to parse log entries, extract timestamps, and identify error patterns programmatically within the Wolfram language environment. Finally, sending to Wolfram support. If the WLF file documents a problem you're experiencing, contact Wolfram technical support and attach the log file to your support request. Wolfram engineers analyze these logs to diagnose kernel crashes, performance issues, and unexpected behavior, providing targeted solutions based on the recorded session data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.